Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see patterns. Okay, patterns and tessellations. Tessellations means a pattern that a pattern without leaving any gaps to create a design is called tessellation, like this. Okay. So, quick drill. Complete the code given below and use it to write the message I love Neptune maths. Okay. I means R. R. Love. L. 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 O. L. O. O. L. V. 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 E. 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 V. O. L. E. V. Next, Neptune. N. N. Where is N here? N means M. E. V. P. K. T. Find out the T. T. G. U. U. F. N. M. E. V. I love Neptune maths. M. N. A. W. X. Y. Z. A. B. C. D. X. Y. Z. Okay. A. Z. T. G. H. S. S. H. Understood? Like this we have to complete the codes, right? Next, we'll start practice 3. Tick the tessellating pattern and draw the shapes that tessellates. This is the tessellating patterns, okay? And you can draw whatever it tessellates, okay? Next, complete this code and write the following messages. Complete this code, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Next, 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Okay, like this we have to complete the code. Then we have to write the message. Okay. A. 18. What is 18 means? I. 24. 24. L. 23. O. 9. V. 10. E. 21. P. 2. A. 13. T. 10. E. 17. R. 25. N. 15. Yes. I love patterns. Okay. In the same way we have to do this. B. 24. What is 24? L. 23. O. 23. O. 22. 22. K. Look. 13. T. 16. H. 10. E. 6. C. 2. A. T. 16. H. 2. A. 15. S. 2. A. 16. H. 2. A. 13. T. Look, the cat has a hat. Okay. Next is C. 4. B. 10. E. 13. T. 16. H. 10. E. 6. C. 16. H. 2. A. 25. N. 14. G. 10. E. 3. Y. 23. O. 11. U. 7. W. 2. A. 25. N. 13. T. Be the change you want. Okay. Oh. 13. 13. T. 23. O. 15. Yes. 10. E. 10. E. Be the change you want to see. Okay. Next. D. 18. I. 16. H. A. 9. V. 10. E. 2. A. 4. B. 18. I. 14. G. 15. S. 10. E. 6. C. 17. R. 10. E. 13. T. I have a big secret. Understood? For this, we finished our symmetry and patterns. So, worksheet 1 and 2, answer of the worksheet 1 and 2, I'll upload it into my WhatsApp group. Please go and check it out. Okay? Tomorrow we will start 10th lesson, money. Okay? Thank you.